Welcome to Raw Forestry, 700 horsepower shredders, 900 horsepower grinders, hydraulic jaws that don't hesitate, steel meets timber, timber meets torque. The RJ's VZ 950 Titan from Bandit stands at the front line, a 700 horsepower dual-shaft monster built to tear through entire vehicles like paper. Steel folds, frames twist, scrap volume shrinks in seconds. It's not chaos. It's controlled force turning waste into reusable material and keeping yards cleaner and more efficient. Then the Pronar Raptor 800 steps in, powered by a 640 horsepower Cat C18 engine. Paired with the AHWI 900 mulching head, it melts through timber with relentless torque. Thick wood, dense brush, stubborn trunks, it doesn't hesitate. Built tough, built durable, built for operators who don't have time for weak equipment. Watching logs unload at a sawmill hits differently. The roar of conveyors, the smell of fresh-cut wood, steel and timber moving in rhythm. Forestry isn't just work, it's memory, skill, and generational knowledge carried forward by machines that never stop. The VTN CI 7000 shear showcases hydraulic engineering at its peak. Perfectly synchronized cutting edges clamp down on bulldozer rams and structural steel, slicing with surgical precision. Hydraulic pressure meets steel geometry, and scrap becomes confetti. This isn't just crushing, it's precision recycling and raw forestry power operating at industrial scale. On private land, a Fendt 942 Vario rolls forward, towing a Biber 92 MH chipper. Together they haul, feed, and chip whole trees in minutes. No axes, no hand hauling, just clean mechanical precision clearing land quickly and safely. Versatility defines the next generation. 4 interchangeable rotors allow a machine to swap between chipping and grinding modes. One moment producing uniform biomass fuel, the next tackling bulky construction waste. Flexibility isn't optional anymore. It's survival in modern forestry operations. The Peterson 2710D weighs nearly 70,000 pounds and carries a massive 60 by 3, 2-inch feet opening. Add a 4-inch lift on the roller and quick change screens, and this grinder adapts instantly to output requirements. Massive in scale, precision control. The VTN FB 350 crushing bucket proves durability matters. 6 years in the field and still pulverizing rock daily. Steel teeth bite down, dust rises, and impossible tasks become manageable. The FH20R hydraulic jaws clamp onto a stump and twist deep roots free. The excavator arm lifts it high, roots dangling, decades of growth removed in seconds. Not every build is safe. Some DIY splitters demand absolute respect. Raw power without proper guarding turns dangerous fast. In forestry, torque is unforgiving. The McCloskey portable crushing spread from the C50 jaw to the S190 screener and C44 cone demonstrates optimized material flow at 500 tons per hour on granite. Track-mounted mobility adds flexibility. From chaos to order, rock becomes revenue. Car flatteners reduce inventory into guaranteed scrap value. In a volatile market, sometimes immediate recycling beats waiting for parts sales. Steel returns to the supply chain instead of sitting idle. The Comtech Crambo, powered by a Cat C13, uses slow-speed, high-torque shredding to break down stumps and waste wood efficiently. Controlled rotation, massive force. Efficient wood recycling without uncontrolled flying debris. PBCI's Flail 604 and Disc Chipper 754 handle, heavy-duty wood processing with smooth hydraulic control, flailing bark, chipping timber. Fuel efficiency and durability matter when biomass becomes a primary energy source. The Comtech wood shredder delivers 610 horsepower and twin shaft power, pushing 160 cubic meters per hour. Forest residue becomes clean biomass fuel in continuous flow. The Wema Vampire demonstrates extraordinary cutting force effective, but demanding strict safety discipline. Power without control is a liability. Throughput becomes king in streamlined systems. Minimal downtime, maximum output, machines that handle material smoothly and continuously redefine productivity. Deep in the forest, a convoy works in sync. A manned TGA 10X8 truck with 480 horsepower, supported by Volvo, Penta, and MAN 8X8 units. At the center stands the Hanala 1000, 310 chipper, shredding branches and logs at 150 cubic meters per hour. A symphony of torque and coordination. Operator ergonomics evolved too. A rotating cabin mounted on a Mantis chassis enhances visibility and safety. Precision improves when the operator sees everything clearly. Hydraulic firewood cutters built for workshops prove smaller setups can still deliver smooth, controlled power for home-scale processing. From steel shredders to stump grinders, from biomass processors to portable crushing systems, this is modern forestry and material handling at full throttle. Steel meets timber. Torque meets resistance. Chaos becomes order. In Chicago's industrial heart, the J45 jaw crusher devours boulders, while the R155 screener and C44 cone refine output into clean aggregate. From raw rock to finished product, crushing is calculated, not reckless. This is raw forestry where machines don't hesitate and failure is never an option.